Jai Jinendra. I am Mrunal from Pune, Maharashtra. First of all, I am thankful to Dr. Priyaji Jain and Dr. Pradevji Jain. It was a blessing to get your guidance at the right point of time in life. It was a wonderful journey of 6 days, and I wish it would have been a little more. It was a true homely feeling with you all. The great work you are doing is the awareness of Bhaktamar Stotra and the miracles that can happen if we have dedication and devotion towards it. But it also needs great teachers like you. And this is why, because you are influencing not only today's younger generation but also the little ones too. And it's out of my personal experience that my little nephew has been experiencing many changes in himself, and this is why I feel very happy that yes, that from now onwards they are following this path and it will lead them on a good way in life. Thank you for helping us, guiding us in the best way in today's difficult time of Corona, and giving us the best teachings ever of how we can use Reiki, of how we can heal someone who is in front of us or also at a distance. Also, how crystals can work and